morning, students. Today I am going to explain you this Tux Paint on computer. Okay, today you will see how we will do work on Tux Paint in the computer. So I am going to tell you, I will tell you so many tools. Okay, how will you use that tools in Tux Paint in your computer? You can install at your home and you can do. Now see, students, today I am going to tell you how you open Tux Paint in your computer. Now you can see one Tux Paint icon is here. You can double click on this and you can open from here. Or what you will do, you will click on this start button and go to all programs, and here you can see one Tux Paint icon will be there, this one. You will click on this Tux Paint and then you will open this Tux Paint full screen. Okay, so this Tux Paint will be opened on your computer. Okay, like this, and it has one penguin in this. This is called mascot of the Tux Paint. Okay, one penguin is there which tells you how to work in Tux Paint. Now it's opening, it's loading. Now first tool I am going to tell you, that is stamp tool. You can see here stamp tool is here. Okay, you can see stamp is written. This is your stamp tool. Okay, and first tool is your paint tool. You can see here paint tool is here. Now in your book first one is given, that is shape tool. So you will click on this. This is your shape tool. When you will click on this, on the shape tool, this side, okay, this side you can see, this side of your screen you can see so many tools are there. These are your unfilled shapes and these are your filled shape. You can see these are filled with color, these are filled shape and these are unfilled shape. Now I am choosing one shape, like I am choosing first one, unfilled, and I will draw. It will be drawn like this. Now filled shape I will choose and I will draw. It will come like this. You can choose any color also, like this color I will choose and I will draw. So this color shape will come. This is filled one and this is unfilled shape. So like this you can draw the shape and you can rotate your shapes also. Suppose you have drawn a shape and like this you can rotate your shape also in any direction. Okay, like this you can rotate your shape. Suppose I am drawing this one, this shape, and you can rotate in any direction as you want, like this. So like that you can draw the shapes in Tux Paint. Now eraser tool is there. Next one is your eraser tool. This one is your eraser tool. You can see here one eraser tool is there. This is your eraser tool. So you will click on this eraser tool and like this one eraser you will get. From here you can select big or small eraser and click on this. You can erase whatever you have drawn in Tux Paint, like this. So this is your eraser tool. Now next tool which is given in your book, that is new tool. This is your new tool. Okay, this is your new tool. When you will click on this new tool, like this so many backgrounds will come. You can choose anyone. It gives you new page. Like I am choosing here yellow. Click on yellow and then click on this button, open button. Okay, click on yes and see, you will get a yellow page on your screen. So like that, click on new. You want white, click on white and click on open. So it will give you a white page. So from this new button you can choose a new page in Tux Paint. So this is your new tool. Next one is edges tool. Now I will tell you about edges tool. This edges tool you will get in magic tool. Okay, in magic tool. Suppose I am drawing one shape here, filled shape. Like this I am drawing a shape. Okay, and it is filled with color. I have filled this with blue color. Now click on magic tool. This magic tool, this is your magic tool, and this tool contains so many other tools in this. When you will click on magic tool, this side, so many tools you will get. Now here you can see this one which I have clicked. This one is your edges tool. You will click on this and then click here. See, it will trace the edges of your figure, means see, it will remove the color from the figure and it will only show you the edges of your figure. Edges it will show like this. So this is the work of your edges tool. Okay, you can trace the edges. Edges means these sides of the figure using this edges tool. Now click on eraser and you can erase. Okay, like this. Suppose I am drawing anything here like this. Like this I am drawing. Now I am filling this with color. Magic tool. In magic tool one fill tool is there. Okay, you will get one fill tool in the magic tool. You can search where is the fill color tool. Okay, fill tool you will get. In the magic tool, using that fill tool you can fill the color in your drawing. Now here fill tool. You are not getting, but it will be here. Fill tool. When you will click on this. This is your fill tool. It is here, not in magic tool. This is your fill tool. You will click on this, and you can fill the color like this in the drawing. Okay, using this fill tool. Now again go to magic tool and choose edges tool. Again I am telling you about edges tool only. Now choose edges tool, and when you will click here, see what it will do. This tool will trace the edges of your figure. See, only the outline of your figure will come. Whatever I have drawn, only the outline is coming. So this is the work of edges tool. Now erase this. Now next tool which is given, that is drip magic tool. Drip magic tool you will get in magic tool only. First what I will do, suppose I am writing anything here. For writing you will choose this text tool. Click on this text tool. Now I am writing here anything. Like this I have written, this is car. Now go to magic tool and choose drip tool. This one. This is your drip tool. Click on this and see. When you will do like this with the drip tool, see, it is looking like color is flowing. This is the work of drip tool. Suppose you have drawn any shape, like I am drawing here this shape. Okay, like I am drawing here this shape. This shape I have drawn. Again go to magic tool and drip tool. See, when you will do like this with the drip tool, see, it is looking like color is flowing like this. This effect will come using the drip tool. So this is the work of drip tool in Tux Paint. So these three tools you have learned, 4-5 tools which I have told. So this much I will tell you today. Next tool I will tell you next term. So you have learned about this shapes tool. You can draw shapes from here. Eraser tool, this is used for erasing. And you have learned about new tool, from where you can select the new page. And next one, edges tool I have told, which is present in magic tool. Okay, one edges tool is there from which you can trace the edges of your figure. Fill tool is used to fill the color. Okay, from here you can select the colors. And drip tool, which is again present in the magic tool. Okay, so these tools you will learn. And this paint tool is like your pencil, it is used for drawing. Anything you can draw with this. Okay, like this you can draw. And if you want to fill color in this, click on fill color tool. And which color you want, fill like this. Now you want to again use edges tool, go to magic tool. This edges tool, see, it will trace the edges. Now in this, if you want to use drip tool, click on drip. See, it will show the color like this, it is flowing. So this is your drip tool. So these tools you can try. If you have computer at your home, you can download this Tux Paint and you can try. So this much for today. So today I have shown you how to do work in Tux Paint on computer. So you have learned today about shapes tool and eraser tool, new tool, edges tool and drip magic tool. So these tools I have told today. Next tool which I have given in your chapter, I will continue on next term. Okay, so you watch this video, understand how you are using these tools, and download TuxPaint. Problem, you can contact me. Thank you.